Hello children, a very warm welcome to your English grammar class. So here we start with Focus English Grammar class 7 by Coral Publishers. और आज हम करेंगे एक नया लेसन 6 Subject Verb Agreement. Let's start the lesson here. When the subject of a sentence is singular. अब एक सेंटेंस में जब उसका जो सब्जेक्ट है वो सिंगुलर होता है, the verb must also be singular. अगर सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर है तो उसका वर्ब भी सिंगुलर होना चाहिए. When the subject of a sentence is singular, the verb must also be singular. जब किसी सेंटेंस का सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर होता है तो उसका वर्ब भी सिंगुलर होता है. When the subject is plural, the verb must also be plural. और जब सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल है तो उसका वर्ब भी प्लूरल होता है. For example, my brother likes to play cricket. This is singular क्योंकि my brother जो है वो सब्जेक्ट है और वो सिंगुलर है. And likes अग्री करता है इस चीज़ को, तो likes is a verb which is in singular form. Next is my brothers like to play cricket. This is in plural form because my brothers एक से ज़्यादा हैं, वो plural है और जो like है वो plural form में agree कर रहा है इसको. Like is verb. When the subject is one of followed by a plural noun, one of the pupils, one of the players, the verb is singular. To agree with one. जब सब्जेक्ट इज लाइक वन ऑफ और उसके आगे लगता है प्लूरल फॉर्म में नाउन, तब क्या होता है, जो वर्ब होता है वो सिंगुलर होता है. टू अग्री विद इट. एग्जाम्पल, वन ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स इन माई क्लास प्लेज इन द नेशनल जूनियर हॉकी टीम. अब वन ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, देखिए ये जो स्टूडेंट्स आया ये जो प्लूरल फॉर्म में है ये नाउन. ओके, तो अब इसका जो वर्ब है वो सिंगुलर फॉर्म में होगा. In my class plays in the junior hockey team. One of my friends likes swimming. When a sentence has two singular subjects joined by the conjunction and the verb must be plural. जब एक सेंटेंस में दो सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं और उसको एंड कंजंक्शन ज्वाइन करता है तो वर्ब क्या होता है, प्लूरल हो जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जतिन एंड पूजा हैव नॉट कम टुडे. देखिए जतिन एंड पूजा, कंजंक्शन क्या हुआ, एंड, और सब्जेक्ट कितने हैं, एक से ज़्यादा, दो है, जतिन और पूजा. हैव नॉट कम टुडे. ओके, सो द वर्ब इज इन प्लूरल. हैव, वर्ब क्या है, हैव. Wheat, rice and barley are cereals. For example, when two or more nouns represent a compound name. When two or more nouns represent a compound name of one person or thing, then the compound unit is thought of as singular and takes a singular verb. अब दो या उससे ज़्यादा जब नाउन रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं कंपाउंड नाम को, तो उसको क्या समझा जाता है, उसको सिंगुलर मानते हैं और उसमें क्या लगता है, सिंगुलर वर्ब. वर्ब भी सिंगुलर होता है. हिज फ्रेंड एंड बेनिफैक्टर हैज कम टू सी हिम. हिज फ्रेंड एंड बेनिफैक्टर ये हो गया सिंगुलर और हैज कम टू सी हिम. ब्रेड एंड बटर इज होलसम फूड. ब्रेड एंड बटर singular हो गया, is also singular. When the sentence begins with an introductory there, the verb agrees with the subject that follows it. For example, there was a dreadful accident last night. एक introductory से start हुआ है ये sentence. introductory क्या है, there. तो क्या हुआ, the verb agrees with the subject. verb subject से agree करता है. There was a dreadful accident last night. There are 40 students in our class. A lot of and plenty of take a plural verb. जहाँ lot of a lot of या plenty of आता है, वो वहाँ पे क्या लगता है? Plural verb. When they denote number, they take a singular verb when they denote quantity of amount. जब number denote करते हैं तो plural verb, और जब quantity of amount होता है वहाँ पे singular verb use होता है. For example, there were a lot of people at the concert. There are a lot of rivers in our country. There are plenty of things to do this summer. A number of is always followed by a plural verb since it means several or many. A number of मतलब बहुत सारा होता है, बहुत many means बहुत सारे, several means also बहुत सारे. So वो follow किससे करता है? Plural verb से. For example, there have been a number of accidents this year. Next, a singular collective noun such as a crowd of people, a gang of thieves, a board of directors, a company of soldiers takes a singular verb. ये जो collective nouns होते हैं, singular collective nouns, इसके साथ क्या लगता है? Singular verb. For example, there was a crowd of people in the street. Okay? A gang of thieves was seen. देखिए, was singular. A new board of directors has been elected. यहाँ भी एक फिर से देखिए, a new board of directors. A flock of sheep was grazing in the field. A dozen, since it denotes a plural number, takes a plural verb. A dozen जहाँ आता है वो plural number show करता है, तो इसके साथ लगता है plural verb. For example, there are a dozen eggs in the tray. A pair of, when applied to things like scissors, shoes, trousers, where two components are always thought of as a unit, takes a singular verb. क्योंकि scissors, shoes, trousers ये पेयर में होते हैं हमेशा, और इसको एक ही यूनिट माना जाता है, तो इसके साथ लगता है singular verb. There is a pair of scissors in the drawer. Is, okay? Pair of scissors है, but singular verb use किया गया है. This is a new pair of shoes. There was a pair of trousers in the laundry. But if we omit the words a pair of and only use the plural word, then it must take a plural verb. अब अगर यहाँ से हम a pair of हटा देते हैं तो क्या होगा, और केवल plural word ही use करते हैं तो उसके साथ plural verb लगेगा. For example, the scissors are in the drawer. The scissors are in the drawer. So यहाँ से हमने क्या किया? अ पेयर हटा दिया, तो अब scissors के साथ आर आ गया. देखिए प्लूरल वर्ब आया. His shoes were new. His trousers were torn. Class names or categories such as clothing, footwear, crockery, cutlery, furniture and stationery are singular and must therefore take a singular verb. The furniture in her house was beautiful. Furniture was क्या है? Singular verb. The stationery used in our office is of poor quality. News, though it is a plural form, is always treated as singular. News वैसे तो plural form है, but हमेशा ये singular form में ही treat किया जाता है, while advice and information are never used in the plural. और जो advice और information होते हैं वो कभी भी वहाँ plural use नहीं होता. For example, what is the latest news? What is? Singular. No news is good news. He gave me a lot of good advice. देखिए अब advice जहाँ आया वहाँ पे plural use हुआ. There is plenty of information on this subject on the internet. Next, names of certain diseases and of certain sciences or branches of knowledge which end in S are also singular. अब बहुत सारे डिजीजेस के नाम या कुछ साइंसेस या ब्रांच ऑफ नॉलेज जो हैं वो एंड होते हैं एस से, वो भी क्या हैं, सिंगुलर हैं. लाइक measles, mumps, mathematics, physics, economics, human rights. Now example, measles is an infectious disease. देखिए एंड तो ये एस से हो रहे हैं बट सिंगुलर है तो इसमें सिंगुलर फॉर्म वर्ब का लग रहा है. ह्यूमन राइट्स इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट दीज डेज. फिजिक्स इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस. सम ऑफ, हाफ ऑफ and any other fraction of, कोई भी fraction, take a plural verb. इसमें क्या लगता है इसके साथ, plural verb. If the reference is the number, that is to things that are countable. Countable अगर है numbers के reference में है तो ये इनके साथ लगता है plural verbs. But a singular verb if the reference is to amount of quantity that is uncountable. और uncountable के साथ singular verb use होता है. For example, some of the houses were dark and dingy. अब houses तो count किए जा सकते हैं, countable हैं. Some of the milk was split on the floor. Milk is uncountable. Half of the eggs were rotten. Half of the land was barren. Many refers to number. It is plural and takes a plural verb. Many जो है वो number को refer करता है और ये क्या है, plural है और इसके साथ plural verb लगता है. Much refers to the amount of quantity. It is singular and takes a singular verb. Example, many of the flowers have no smell. Much of the countryside was flooded. People and cattle are plural and take plural verb. लोग या cattle जो है वो plural होते हैं और इनके साथ लगता है plural verb. For example, people in our village are hard working. See, plural. People plural है और plural verb लगा इसके साथ are. The cattle were grazing in the field. Fine. When a plural number applies to distance, weights, heights or amounts of money taken as a whole, it is treated as singular and takes a singular verb. These are some of the rules children जो कि आपको बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ने हैं और लर्न करने हैं. For example, 10 kilometers is not a great distance these days. अब देखिए यहाँ R नहीं लगा है, 10 kilometers के साथ R नहीं लगा है क्योंकि ये जो distance, weight और height ये सब हैं ये एक whole की तरह लिए जाता है और ये singular होता है तो singular के साथ singular verb use हुआ है. 200 grams of tea costs 85 rupees, not cost. 10,000 rupees is a lot of money. If the title of a book or the name of a house or a hostel is plural, it takes a singular verb since it is only one title of one building. For example, the Arabian Nights is a great favorite with children. अब देखिए Arabian Nights, but ये इसके साथ verb क्या यूज हुआ है, singular. The Seven Sisters is situated on high road. The following takes singular verbs. अब ये कुछ words हैं जिनके साथ singular verbs लगते हैं. Each, each of, every, everyone, everybody, everyone of, none, none of, neither of, either of, anybody, nobody. For example, each guest was garlanded at the entrance. None of the applicants was found fit for the job. Is either of your twins an engineer? Neither of the boys has won a scholarship. Every one of the events was keenly contested. Now children, let's do some exercises here. Choose the correct verb to complete the sentences. The books borrowed from the library is or are on my desk. अब correct verb choose करते हैं इनमें से. The books borrowed from the library are on my desk. The price of these jeans is or are reasonable. The price of these jeans is reasonable. Bread and butter our daily breakfast. Bread and butter is our daily breakfast. The boy who won the 2 medals is a friend of mine. The poor is suffering. 30 years is a long time. 10 tons is a heavy load. My father as well as his colleague were robbed. Many a student made the same mistake. Many a student have made the same mistake. None of my friend has or have made the same mistake. None of my friend has made the same mistake. Fill in an appropriate verb in the blanks. Remember that the verb must agree with the subject. अब यहाँ हमें appropriate verb fill करना है blank में. All the mice dead. All the mice were dead. Athletics, his main interest. Athletics is his main interest. All the rice in our shop of good quality. All the rice in our shop is of good quality. The jury dash divided in their opinion. The jury has divided. The jury has divided in their opinion. He is one of the greatest leaders that ever lived. He is one of the greatest leaders that has ever lived. Mr. Day along with his family be present at the meeting. Mr. Day along with his family will be present in the meeting. Either of the girls allowed to fill in the form. Either of the girls was allowed to fill in the form. Now, these few sentences, try it yourself, children. Next is choose the correct verb from the brackets to complete the sentence. अब bracket में से correct verb choose करना है आपको. Half of the answer correct was correct. Most of the ice melt or melts in the spring. Most of the ice melts in the spring. Some pizza has or have been saved for later. Some pizza has been saved for later. Both argue or argues on the phone. Both argue on the phone. Sometimes in the office is or are the original copy of my report. Somewhere in the office is the original copy of my report. Each of the sweaters she had bought on sale has or have minor flaws. Each of the sweaters she had bought on sale has minor flaws. So children, here we end up with this chapter and I hope you have understood it well. तो हम फिर मिलेंगे एक नए चैप्टर के साथ, कुछ नया पढ़ेंगे, something more interesting. Till then, have a nice time and thanks for watching this video. Bye and take care.